ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm not good enough? Maybe someone's words cut really deep. Some could be a teacher, and especially someone who is an authority figure in your life has told you you will never make it, you will never amount to anything, or even compared you to a friend or a sibling or something, and this sucked your confidence. If that's you, I get it. Today, I want to share with you practical steps to rediscover your self-esteem. But here's the truth. Your worth was never lost. It might just be buried under old hurts and you can rediscover it. Low self-esteem doesn't just appear out of nowhere. Maybe it came from being in a relationship where you were constantly put down. Maybe it was growing up in a home where it felt like nothing you ever did was good enough. Or maybe you just compared yourself to friends who seemed like they were ahead of you in life. The first step is honesty. Acknowledging it doesn't make you feel weak, only shows bravery. Secondly, you need to stop measuring yourself by external validation. So many of us live off other people's validation, like likes on social media, how many views one got on a YouTube video, for instance, the likes, the comments, compliments from friends, validation from our bosses, our parents. And when these stop, we begin to feel invisible. One of the things your future self will thank you for is if you begin to evaluate the people you follow on social media. Begin to unfollow those accounts that make you feel like you are behind. We're going to start small by putting down in our journals every day 3 things that you are proud of, 3 things that made you feel good. On that, it could be things as little as cooking dinner, texting someone to check on them, showing up on time for an appointment. Those little wins are things you need to record in your journal and have them before you. And remember, people's opinions change over time. The only thing that remains constant is your value. Sometimes the kindness and the grace we extend to other people, we do not extend to ourselves. We do not give ourselves the same grace, the same kindness. We don't speak kindly to ourselves, and that has to stop. You need to give to yourself what you expect others to give to you. You can encourage yourself. You can hype yourself. Speak to yourself the things that you expect others to say to you. That's where things like words of affirmation come in. You can actually record your voice saying those words of affirmation and then play it over and over again so you hear it. So you're not just speaking it, now you're listening to it. Number 4, rebuild confidence through small wins. Confidence doesn't come from big achievements, it comes from consistency. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your self-esteem grows. You can start small. It could be making your bed when you wake up in the morning, something as simple as that. It could be going for a 10-minute walk. It could be outdoors, could be on your treadmill. Just little things, baby steps. It could be setting reminders to keep your prayer time throughout the day. The different times of the day you want to pray, you set reminders to do that. These might seem like little things, but they are very powerful. Every time you accomplish a task, your brain tells you, I can trust myself again. And that's where confidence begins. I love number 5 so much. Surround yourself with life-giving people. Identify the people that leave you feeling drained and the people that leave you feeling uplifted. If you're always around people who criticize and compare you with others, your self-esteem will always be low because you'll constantly feel like you're not good enough. You're constantly trying to measure up to someone's standards. Who are they? So you're going to do a quick audit. Think about your life now as it is. Who are the people that always seem to tear you down, and who are those that always make you feel valued? Even if it's just 1 or 2 people, sometimes it's better to have a smaller circle that is full of love than to have a large circle that is full of noise. I would like to add that there are times that these people who seem to tear you down are people that you cannot necessarily stay away from. I would advise that as much as it lies with you, limit your exposure to these toxic people in your life. Number 6, rediscover who you are beyond achievement. Your worth is not in your grade, paycheck, how many followers you have, subscribers as the case may be, how many likes and comments you have. Those are not things that make you who you are. Learn how to love parts of you that are not tied to performance. For example, the way your smile brightens a room, your sense of humor, even though you laugh at your own jokes, the way you listen and make people feel heard, your resilience, how you have survived difficult situations in time past, your faith and your values that keep you grounded. These are things that no one can take away from you. Number 7, you need to practice gratitude and self-celebration. There's something that gratitude does to you. It shifts your focus from things that are missing to things that are already there. Write down the things that you're grateful for, whether big or small. Don't wait till you've arrived before you celebrate. Celebrate your small wins, no matter how small it is. Doesn't mean you have to throw a party, but those little things you do for yourself as a form of reward. Yeah, you need to do those things for yourself just to acknowledge your gratitude when you make little progress, no matter how little it is. When you take small steps in line with your dreams or goals, you need to applaud yourself for it. You might not be where you want to be now, but you are not where you used to be. So it's worth celebrating, don't you think? Seek healing where needed. Sometimes recovering or rediscovering your self-esteem takes more than willpower. You might need to speak with a therapist. You will need loads of prayer time, especially intimacy prayers with God, where He begins to unveil and reveal to you who you are. That's just the best thing that can happen to anyone. If you can find a mentor, that's great too. Don't be afraid to seek help or ask for support when you need it. Even strong people need support. I would like to hear from you. What's one thing that you're learning to love about yourself that is not based on achievements? Please feel free to drop it in the comments so we can encourage one another. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video to someone who needs this reminder today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.